Omni 2062 Heavy, good afternoon. You're cleared to Andrews by the Ottawa 4 departure, flight plan route. Expect runway 25, code 6501.
Cleared to Andrews via the Ottawa 4 flight plan route. Expect runway 25, squawk 6501, Omni 2062 Heavy.
Omni 2062 Heavy, the readback is correct. It is Juliet in ground 1219, ready to taxi.
We'll call you back, Omni 2062.
When is the address that is budget program? Omni 2062 Tower, will you be ready in position?
We will be ready in position, Omni 2062 Heavy.
Tower Jazz 870 with you on the RNAV, Zulu for runway 29. Omni 2062 Ottawa Tower, contact departure 12817 airborne, wind is 210 at 15 gusting 23. You're clear for takeoff runway 25.
Clear for takeoff 25, Omni 2062 Heavy.